Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Loren again with Appliance Factory. Today we're going to be going over two of our special buys, great values. These are both from Frigidaire. We just got them in and we want to show you what they're about.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
So this is our Frigidaire. This is the entry-level model that we bought. Now we buy these in bulk. That's why you see the savings. And the price tag on this is just $9.99. Now for a slide-in at $9.99, especially with the price increases that we've seen across the board, this is a killer deal. Now this is the FFEH 3047. So let's go into the stove real quick just to show you what this one has. On the top, this does have a 5-burner cooktop. So you got the quick boil with one expandable element. You have your circle main burner there, your warming zone. That's not gonna boil, just warm, and you get your 2 burners on the outside. On the front, again, this is a slide-in, so you have your controls on the front here. You got your self-clean. It's got your bake, your broil, your standard. Knobs are pretty nice. Nice stainless finish. And in the interior here, you have the hidden bake element, so it's not exposed at the bottom. It's actually underneath that pan. So great value at $9.99. Again, you're not gonna really find a slide-in for that price. It's really hard to come by right now. Here's our next one. So this is the Frigidaire Gallery, so this is a step up. A little different finish on the stainless steel. This is the FGEH 3047 VW. So really cool on the top on this. So this one, 5 burners still. It's got 3 expandable elements on your right-hand side. It's got 2 on your quick boil. On the interior, this is a convection stove. So you got the convection bake, the convection roast. It's got the convection convert option, which will convert your normal time into convection time if you need it. It's also got the air fry option. So on the interior here, got the fan in the back that's gonna circulate all that hot air around. Again, hidden bake element, but it does have the convection. So big upgrade. And at $12.99 for a slide-in with convection, 5 burners with expandable elements. It's a home run, guys. And thanks for watching, guys. These are just 2 of our exclusive factory buys. We try to buy in bulk so you guys see the savings. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.